Okay, we're back at Stave Lake. We're gonna go for a little run. Got the quad warming up. I got some wood loaded up on the quad. Everything's running good. I'm strapped down. We're gonna go to a lake called Morgan Lake. It's about a ways up the road on this gravel road here. I got my daughter today with me, Sophia. Yep. So let's get this going. Ready?
Yeah, I'm holding on. Check it out. We'll turn around and go where we're going. See, look. There's a guy in the fireplace. It's like an ATV call or something. Not any
Yeah.
acknowledgement.
Yep. More way down there. We won't go much further. There's no sense. There's a little one there. There's the flag.
Okay.
Nothing. I'm just looking around.
I can't believe this is all lake and then it just...
Yeah. So they opened up the dam,
Yeah.
and now the water's down. Because what's happening is that there's so much water. Well, it rains so much, right? That water's got to go somewhere. If they didn't open the dam, this would all flood. They got to let the water out. So come spring, hopefully they'll close the dam, and then this will all fill back up. But if you look at it, when there's water here, it's not that deep then, right?
Yeah.
If you look over there, that's where we were camping. So it's not that deep. Well, there's some deep holes. Look over there. There's a big channel.
Metal detecting here.
Yeah, you'd find stuff.